Welcome to my YouTube channel where I share app reviews. Today I'm going to show you how to record calls on Android 9. If you are new here, make sure you're subscribed. Before I start the video, I'd like to tell you some foundational things. Firstly, check your state and local laws before you attempt to record a phone call. Secondly, if you have several call recording apps on your phone, it will cause the recording to fail. Thirdly, Google added limitations that prevent many apps from recording your phone conversations. The apps may seem to work, but when you play the recording, they are silent or only one side recorded. Well, I tested the top 2 apps in Google Play Store. They all recorded my conversation. Now let me show you how to record and how the apps perform. Open Google Play Store. Search Call Recorder. Find the top 2 call recorder apps and download them. Make a phone call. Open Call Recorder app. As you can see, the app recorded your call automatically. Click on the recording file to play it.
For police, 119 for fire, 120 for ambulance, 122 for traffic accident, and dial.
Open the other call recorder app and play the recording file.
2 for traffic accident, and dial area code before 112 for fixed phone obstacle.
If you have any recording problems, please write down the phone model and Android version in the comment. I will answer your questions. Also, if you like my video, welcome to like, comment, and share it.